Hi kids, welcome to our fun learning channel, Kids Knowledge. Today we are going to learn the names of different vegetables. Let's get started. This is asparagus. A-S-P-A-R-A-G-U-S, asparagus. Asparagus spears come in green, white, and purple varieties. They have a unique, slightly bitter flavor and are typically enjoyed steamed, roasted, or grilled. Asparagus is high in vitamins A, C, and K. This is broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. Broccoli is a green cruciferous vegetable with a tree-like structure. It has a slightly bitter taste and is high in vitamins C and K. Broccoli can be eaten raw, steamed, or stir-fried. This is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Carrots are orange root vegetables that are crunchy and sweet. They are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Carrots can be eaten raw, cooked, or juiced. This is daikon. D-A-I-K-O-N, daikon. Daikon is a large, white radish with a mild flavor, often used in Asian cuisine. It can be eaten raw, pickled, or cooked in soups and stews. Daikon is low in calories and high in vitamin C. This is eggplant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T, eggplant. Eggplants are purple or white vegetables with a spongy texture. They have a mild, slightly bitter flavor and are often used in dishes like ratatouille, moussaka, and baba ganoush. This is fennel. F-E-N-N-E-L, fennel. Fennel is a vegetable with a bulb, stalk, and fronds, having a mild licorice flavor. It can be eaten raw, roasted, or sautéed and is a good source of vitamin C and fiber. This is garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C, garlic. Garlic is a bulbous vegetable used for its pungent flavor, commonly used in cooking worldwide. It has numerous health benefits, including boosting the immune system and reducing blood pressure. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.